Welcome back, flight crew, to another edition of Stranger Things. There's Pops, talkative as ever. We got the night vision goggles on for this mission. Alright, back to the quarantine zone. Alright, now we're on to the Palace Arcade. And so far this is pretty easy. Oh, I hear the threatening music starting. Okay, this is way too easy right now. Find Murray's truck. Murray's cargo. Oh shit, there it is. Oh, alright. We blew by it. Is that it? Oh, we actually gotta go back? Alright. How the hell do you turn this thing again? Oh, not like that. Uh-oh. Hover above the cargo. Oh, good. 10 feet above the truck. Yeah, this should be easy. I can't even turn around. Alright, we're coming up on the truck. Let's slow it the hell down. Ugh. Why are these things so difficult to, like, stop? Yeah, we're not gonna hover. No. Alright, so, I thought I said slow down. We're just gonna come down on top of it. Ugh. Alright. What the hell am I doing? Oh, look, we landed. Where the hell is the truck? Oh, it's right there. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're just gonna spin around because we're that good. Oh, there's somebody right there. That might be 11 right there. Finally. Been dying to meet this broad. Oh wait, there's someone else over there too. That definitely looks like 11 right there behind the truck. Yeah. I mean, if I could get her in the helicopter instead of Pops to dump his ass off, things would be looking very promising. Patrol incoming. Wait for Hook. Where the hell's the hook? Alright, I got the hook. Now what? Lift the cargo off the ground. Go, 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 go. Oh, we got it! Fly to squawk radio without killing. Oh boy, here comes the helicopters and shit. Go. Get it off the ground. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh, that was hideous. Look, they're behind us. Step on it. Come on! How we doing down there? Oh, look at this. We are crushing it, people. As usual, Pops is no help whatsoever. Alright, don't crash, bozo. Alright, now what? Avoid the Mag Z again. This thing is swinging. Alright, we got a half mile. Nothing can go wrong at this point. Except probably having to land. Alright, here we go. Hover above the drop point. Oh, this bullshit again. Where's the drop point? I'm coming, 11. I'm right there. Wait for me, honey. That's it. We dropped off the cargo. Now we gotta land close to Isn't this squawk radio right here? Alright, don't hit the tower. Oh, there it is! Did we do it? Turn engine off by holding control. Thanks for the helps, Pops. Couldn't done it without you. Alright, I think the engine's shutting down. There it is! Mission 3 in the books.